Good morning, students. This is English reader of class 4, lesson 1, Tenali meets Barber. Summary. Tenali Rama was a famous jester and poet in the court of Krishna Dev Raya, the king of Vijayanagar. The tale is related to Tenali Rama's wit and wisdom had reached far and wide. Soon they reached the Mughal court in Delhi where Babur ruled. When Babur heard about Tenali Rama, he wished to meet him. Thus Babur's messenger reached Vijayanagar. So in this chapter, Tenali Rama was a famous jester in the court of Krishna Dev, who was the king of Vijayanagar. And he was very witty, he was very quick to answer everything, and that's why in the Mughal court the emperor was eagerly waiting to meet Tenali Rama. The king ordered Tenali Rama to go with this messenger to the Mughal court and prove his mettle. The king asked him to remember the honor of their kingdom is in his hands. If he impressed the emperor and get a reward from him, then the king will give 10,000 gold coins to Tenali Rama. When Babur heard of Tenali's arrival, he summoned his courtiers that nobody will smile at Tenali Rama's joke, otherwise it will be a severe punishment for them. So the king of Vijayanagar, he ordered Tenali to go and visit the Mughal court, and in the Mughal court the emperor already warned his courtiers that nobody will smile at Tenali's joke, otherwise it will be a dangerous punishment for them. So that was the test for Tenali. That's how he was going to create, or how he was presenting himself in front of the emperor. At the royal court, Tenali tried many antics, but no one smiled. 15 days passed by, but all his efforts to make people laugh failed. Later on, he understood that the Mughal courtiers were deliberately keeping a somber face. Tenali knew that defeat would mean losing prestige and honor of Vijayanagar as well as his own position there. So he thought a fresh plan. So he was trying many talks and many kind of jokes to laugh, but nobody in the court laughed and he was failed. So later he understood that something is going on, and therefore he suddenly changed the plan. He disguised himself as an old labourer. He began digging at a place he knew Babur visited every day. Babur was surprised to see an old man with a white beard planting a mango sapling. The emperor asked his minister to give the old man a pouch containing gold coins. Accepting the gold, the old man bowed gratefully and granted the emperor a long life. Pleased by the old man's remarks, Babur gave him another bag of coins. Later, Babur's servant informed him that this old man appears to be quite wise. Lastly, that old man revealed himself as Tenali and proved himself. Babur took Tenali to his palace and showered him with gifts. When Krishna Dev heard about Tenali's triumph, he too rewarded him with gold and property, and he became even dearer to the king. So it was very surprising for the Babur that an old man is planting a mango sapling. So he asked his minister that please give a pouch of gold coins to this old man because he is doing such a wonderful work. And that old man, he was very happy and grant the emperor a blessing to live a long life. So by these remarks he gave another bag of coins. But later servant informed the emperor that this man is quite wise, and later Tenali itself revealed himself that he is that older person, and Baba was quite surprised, and he took Tenali and he showered him with gifts. Later on, the king of Vijayanagar, that is Krishna Dev, heard about Tenali's triumph. He too rewarded him with gold and property, and it was quite happy and joyful moment for all of them. So on the basis of the chapter, here are some word meanings. Jester, a man at the court of a king or queen to entertain people by telling jokes and funny stories. Metal, a person's ability to cope with difficulties. Sapling, small plant. Treasury, a place where treasure is stored. Triumph, great victory or achievement. Wisdom, having knowledge, experience and good judgment. Witty, showing quick and inventive humor. Your Highness, a way of addressing a person of royal rank. Deliberately, done purposefully. Courtiers, people who are a part of a court of a king or a queen. Opposite, far, near, down, up, laugh, cry, kind, cruel, old, new, wise, foolish, right, wrong. Fill in the blank. Tenali Rama was famous dash in the court of Krishna Dev Raya, jester. Tenali's wit and dash had reached far and wide. Wisdom. I order you to go with this messenger to the Mughal court and prove your dash. Metal. Babur heard of Tenali's arrival. He summoned his dash, courtiers. Babur was surprised to see an old man with a white beard planting a mango dash, sapling. Tenali was rewarded with dash and dash, gold and property. Dash became even dearer to the king, Tenali Rama. Answer the questions. What did King Krishna Dev Raya tell Tenali before he left for the Mughal court? He told Tenali that the honor of their kingdom is in his hand. What did Babur tell his courtiers before Tenali's arrival? Babur summoned his courtiers that if anybody found laughing at his jokes, that person will be punished. What did King Krishna Dev promise to Tenali? He promised to Tenali if he impressed the Mughal emperor, he will reward the 10,000 gold coins. What did Tenali decide to do after disguising himself as an old man? Tenali disguised himself as an old man and began digging at a place he knew Babur visited every day. So just go through the summary, learn the opposite word meanings and write it down in your notebook. Thank you.